Sa video natin ngayon, let's try to find the derivative of arctan 4 over x. So first, mention muna natin yung rule na gagamitin natin. So if meron tayong arctan u, yung derivative is magiging du over 1 plus u squared. Now, yung u natin is yung nasa loob ng arctan. So this will be our u. And then differentiating this function, let's rewrite this muna. So our u will be 4 times x to the negative 1. Kasi we moved this up. So yung du natin is magiging, multiply natin to dito. So negative 1 times 4 times x. And then minus 1 dito. So magiging negative 2. Kasi negative 1 minus 1 magiging negative 2. And so simplifying this function, ito na yung answer natin. Negative 4 over, move natin to sa baba, magiging x squared dito. So ito na yung du natin. Let's color this one green. So ito yung du natin, and then ito yung u. So yung y prime natin is ito, du, negative 4 over x squared, divided by 1 plus, yung u natin is 4 over x, and then square natin yan. So now, let's just multiply the reciprocal of this one dito sa taas. So 1 over, let's just copy this one. And then itong expression na to, we can remove 2, and then let's just square itong numerator sa denominator. Yung square ng 4 is 16. And then yung square ng x is x squared. And let's remove yung 2. So ito na yung expression natin. And so now, let's multiply the two expressions. And so let's multiply the numerator, magiging negative 4 times 1. So it's still negative 4. And then over x squared times 1 plus 16 over x squared. Now, let's also distribute this one dito. So magiging negative 4 over x squared times 1 is x squared. And then x squared times 16 over x squared, magka-cancel na to. So yung result dito is plus 16. So ito na yung answer natin.